Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to take protein powder for beginners. First, understand why you might want to use it. Protein powder is a convenient way to increase your protein intake, which is crucial for muscle recovery and growth, especially after exercise. It can also help you feel fuller, supporting weight management goals. Let's dive into choosing the right type for you. When choosing, consider your goals and dietary preferences. Whey protein is fast digesting, ideal post-workout. Casein digests slowly, perfect before bed. If you're vegan or have allergies, plant-based proteins like pea or rice are excellent alternatives. Always check the ingredient list for any allergens or unwanted additives to ensure it fits your needs. The most common way to take protein powder is by mixing 1 scoop with about 8 to 12 ounces of water, milk, or a milk alternative. For muscle recovery, consume it within 30 minutes to an hour after your workout. You can also use it as a convenient snack or a meal replacement to boost your daily protein intake. Listen to your body and adjust as needed. For beginners, start with a smaller serving to see how your body reacts. Always ensure you're drinking plenty of water, as high protein intake requires good hydration. Remember, protein powder is a supplement, not a replacement for whole foods. Integrate it into a balanced diet for best results. If you have any underlying health conditions, speak with a healthcare professional first.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.